Hey guys, I'm back and we are playing Minecraft with my friend. I don't know if she's on. Oh, there she is. Right there. Someone gave me this, well, I kind of use codes to get the purple unicorn and the bag. And someone traded me and gave me actually hair in that. You know you can speak, right? They can hear you.
Oh, okay.
She's right there. Hopefully you guys can hear her. I don't know. Hopefully. This person's like, can I have water rings? I'm gonna ask someone. Can I please have a free DC1 mythic hat crate? Maybe. I don't know. This guy want to trade me, but I guess no. I'm gonna trade everybody. Don't accept my trade. Well, I don't know if I traded you actually. Hit a fire key. I was down here around, birds came around. I was looking me up, but now it's coming out. Da 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 da. Why are you in this room here too? That's down bottom. I don't know what he means, but.
Oh yeah, I need 50 million coins.
50?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. BTW, I have another account. I don't know if I've told you guys about, but please follow me on this account. Oh, I guess I get a unique hat crate. I'm just gonna open that real quick. I got galaxy hair, which looks kind of stupid. No offense. But yeah, this is my inventory, BTW. So, inventory, I have Wings of Fire, Galaxy Dominus, Green Sparkle Time, Pink Sparkle Time, Golden Wings, Essence Wings, Silver Star Crown.
How do you have some legendary hats?
This guy gave it to me for Blue Angel. Maleka Boss, Galaxy Hair, Bling Clock, Bandit, Cotton Candy Hair, and Red Hair, I'm pretty sure. Red and black and red hair. Aww, my cat is out. I'll show you her. See, I'll be doing I'm on a FaceTime with a friend. Why are you looking through my trash bin? Sorry, my cat's looking through my trash bin. Anyway, so yeah, let's do this thing. So you can hear my cat. I'll pause it and actually, I'm gonna let her out soon. I just have to get this thing. Wow, I'm already out of storage. It's kind of sad. Okay, I need to look at my quest to see what my quest is.
I'm buying a new backpack.
Oh, I need to mine 2 coal and 2 silver. So I'll look in here for silver and stuff. I used to be like I didn't know what the heck this was, honestly. Well, that was on my old account. Actually, it wasn't me. Someone else was playing on my account. Because they couldn't get into their account, so I was just like, you know what? You can play on mine. So they were playing this game. I'm just like, what the flip is this? And then, yeah. I'm trying to find silver. Is there any silver down here? Okay, there's 1 silver. Oh, this person just went on a trade, I guess, and I didn't even know. I don't really need hats, because I don't wear hats. Okay, sorry, but I am declining. Sorry, but I felt like it, because I didn't know what else to do.
One of my quests are done, but I can't.
I need to get 1 more coal and 1 more silver, so hopefully I'll find that. Honestly, so yeah. It's 9:59. I just realized that. Okay, I'm just getting annoyed, so I'm just declining all of these. I'm sorry. I traded you guys earlier, but I don't really want to trade anymore because I'm trying to get something. I don't care if you want to trade me. I'm sorry. I just don't want to trade. I'm not trying to be rude by any means. Lena Bear, I love you so much. Sorry, guys. I'll be back. I'm gonna let my cat out. Hey, also, sorry. I am back. And I'm sad. My friend had to go. Oh my god. Can this thing actually work? I don't know. Because it's getting annoying. I don't know if it's working, so I'll be right back when it works. Okay, so actually it did work, and so this is my quest now, so yeah, I don't know why, but I'm just gonna put my unique egg, even though I already have a really good pet, but I mean, just to open it, I mean, let's just do it. Let's do this thing. I'm just saying me, I don't know why, but I should be over and around the glass. Okay, so I'm gonna accept it, and he's gonna give me a mythic, I guess. It's not a mythic, but okay. If he's gonna accept, I don't know. So I'm gonna say, like, I need something too. So I'll be back when this trade is over. Okay, so I'm back. That trade's over, finally. Pretty sure I need a pet site, so that's good. I don't think I need coal, but I mean, might as well just do it. Get silver chest. Oh my god, of course. Okay, so my thing is at 469. I'm gonna get a bigger backpack soon, so that's good. I'm gonna see if there's any bags that are a lot better than this with how much I have. So I'll get that one. So now I have 4,000. This will be easier, thank God. Ooh. Let's see how much I can get. Oh, ooh, a magical chest. Oh my god. That is amazing. It's amazing. That I got so it's just cool. So yeah. I guess I'm gonna go all the way down unless I see like another mythical chest. Well, a magical chest. I know there's mythical, which would be cool to get. Oh, ruby. I'm just gonna get that to be like a new stone or whatever thing. Cause like as you like get like a reward or achievement, whatever, if you do it. So I'm just gonna do it. And then glowstone. New glowstone, so I'm pretty sure that's part of my quest, so let's get glowstone. And I need 2 glowstone, so yeah, I'm an awesome miner. Let's go down. Okay. So I got that much. That is actually good. Whoa, that looks cool. It's cool, but I mean, I like mine, so yeah. We are gonna go. Another glowstone, which I'm gonna need that. My heel really hurts, so I was like not active at all yesterday. So I am sorry about not being active. Yes, another magical chest. Amazing. Yay. Oh, I'm gonna see. Oh, skeleton stone. Oh, I can do obsidian. I thought I wouldn't be able to, but I guess I am. Of course, right when I'm trying to mine it, that thing pops up. I'm gonna see if there's another backpack. Oh wait, no, it's gonna be 150, so and I need a better backpack, and it's true. Let's go down. I'm just gonna mine this one to see if I like get another new block mined. So yeah. Oh, cranium. Pretty sure I have to go up like that. Maybe I know it's kind of wasting, but ooh, it's as much as a magical chest, so that's actually good. So do you seriously start over? So yeah, oh, sapphire? I'm sorry, it's just cool. For wondering, I'm also looking at my phone, so yeah, that's if I accidentally, no, I don't feel like wasting my time doing that, so I'm just gonna go sideways. Oh, yay. I might get a new storage thing, maybe it depends. I also want to get a better tool, so I might get a tool mix. This is annoying. Wherever I go, there's always dravite. That's just there's I wonder what kind of chest that is. Right there. A magical chest. Okay. Okay, that's fine with me. That's fine with me. Yeah, I have enough for that storage, but I'm probably gonna save up for a new tool. I want to get that flamethrower because that actually looks cool. So yeah, I'll be right back when I'm actually upgraded. Okay, so I am back. Sorry, I didn't come back soon. I have 25,000 with that, which I'm probably gonna be getting a way better tool and backpack now because I have so much storage and it's getting me so far. So that's just really helpful. Mostly what I do is I just dig down, honestly. That's what I'm just doing, honestly. A song's just stuck into my head. I don't know why it is, but it just is. So, yeah. I'll be back when I have a way better, weapons. Well, never mind, actually. I'm just gonna get mining because we only have, some seconds left. So, 30 seconds left, so. Yeah, let's see how far we can go in 30 seconds. Can I fill up my backpack? Probably, maybe. I'm sorry if we couldn't. Oh my god, I need these. I'll pause when I get done. Okay, so yeah, I just sold my backpack and I got that. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Yeah.